Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A70. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Security and go to Screen Lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with the top of the list, so let's select none and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can go to fingerprint. And now simply tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times and adjust fingerprint position each time you tap it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.